Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. As a mature woman, I have my own internal heat to deal with. So, during the summer, trust me, 90% of the cooking is done outside. Seriously though, as much as I like blaming it on my menopause, I really enjoy cooking on a barbecue. I cook almost everything on it, including this incredible fish recipe. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my grilled tuna steaks. Fish on a barbecue is spectacular when it's done right. With a beautiful marinade, this tuna is just delicious. It's extremely easy and the flavors are amazing. It's certainly a great recipe for the summer. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, we'll make the marinade. In a bowl, we'll add pineapple juice, some olive oil, then sesame oil, followed by soy sauce, some pressed garlic, honey, but it can be substituted with agave, minced ginger, fresh chopped dill, as well as fresh chopped chives, and finally, freshly ground black pepper. We'll whisk the ingredients until very well blended. Next, we'll place our tuna steaks in a large resealable plastic bag before pouring the marinade over the fish. We'll close the bag and gently toss it so the tuna is well coated. We'll place the bag in a pie plate just in case it leaks and transfer it to the fridge for 2 to 3 hours, tossing a couple of times. A few hours later, we'll remove it from the fridge and transfer the steaks on the pie plate. Hey, why not? We won't discard the marinade. No, we'll transfer it to a small saucepan. This will become our basting sauce later. We'll set the heat on medium-low just to warm it up. Back to the steaks. We'll let them rest until they get to room temperature, about 15 to 20 minutes. Warmer fish will cook better on the grill than cold ones. So when they get warmer, we'll move on to the barbecue. We'll place our steaks on lightly oiled grates, close the lid, and cook about 2.5 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. About a minute later, we'll start basting them with the sauce. Close the lid and continue grilling them. Then we'll flip them and cook the other side for 2 minutes at the most, again basting the tuna with the sauce. When they're done, we'll spoon the remaining sauce over and enjoy. And my friends, these are our grilled tuna steaks. Moist, tender, and full of flavor, these steaks pair well with many different summer sides. The sweet, salty, tangy sauce complements the fish perfectly. It's a great barbecue recipe for summer dining. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!